Chapter 2 Federalism Part 4 Linguistic Diversity of India. We have already discussed that there are 22 scheduled languages in India. It is the list of scheduled languages of India. You can see all these languages here: Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Udiya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. These are 22 scheduled languages of India. Question is, how many languages do we have in India? The latest information that we have is from the Census of India, which was held in 2011. This census recorded more than 1,300 distinct languages, which people mentioned as their mother tongue. These languages were grouped together under some major languages. For example, languages like Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Bundelkhandi, Chhattisgarhi, Rajasthani, etc. were grouped together under Hindi. Even after this grouping, the census found 121 major languages in India. Out of these, 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, and these languages are called scheduled languages. Remaining languages are termed as non-scheduled languages. In terms of languages, India is perhaps the most diverse country in the world. Decentralization in India. What is decentralization? When power is divided between different levels of government is called decentralization. Why decentralization is necessary in India? We have already discussed that there may be two levels or two tiers of government in a federal country: central government and state governments. But a vast country like India cannot be run only through these two tiers. States in India are as large as independent countries of Europe. Federal power sharing in India needs another tier of government. Therefore, a third tier of government was formed in India, which is called local government. The third tier of government is called local government, and when power is taken away from central and state governments and given to local government, it is called decentralization. Under decentralization, power in India is divided with various levels such as state government and local government. You can see in this diagram union government, state government, and local government. There are two types of local government. In the cities, it is called municipality, In the villages, it is called panchayat system. Municipality may be of three categories: municipal corporations, municipal councils, and nagar panchayats. This division is done according to population of a particular city. In Panchayati Raj system, there are three levels of Panchayati Raj system. In the villages, we are having village panchayat. Then we are having panchayat samiti in blocks, and every jila, that means district of India, is having one organization. It is called Jila Parishad. A major step towards decentralization was taken in the year 1992. The constitution was amended to make the third tier of democracy more powerful and effective. Now it is constitutionally mandatory to hold regular elections to local government bodies such as municipalities and Panchayati Raj system. Seats are reserved in the elected bodies, and the executive heads of these institutions for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. At least one third of all positions are reserved for women. An independent institution called the State Election Commission has been created to each state to conduct panchayat and municipal elections. The state governments are required to share some powers and revenue with local government bodies. Rural local government is popularly known by the name Panchayati Raj. Each village or a group of villages in some states has a Gram Panchayat. This is a council consisting of several ward members, generally called Panch, and a president, which is generally called Sarpanch. They are directly elected by all the adult population living in that ward and that village. The local government structure goes right up to the district level. A few gram panchayats are grouped together to form, which is generally called a panchayat samiti or block or mandal. The members of this representative body are elected by all the panchayat members in that area. All the panchayat samitis or block samitis in a district forms the Jila Parishad. Most members of the Jila Parishad are elected members of the Lok Sabha and MLAs of that district, and some other officials of other district level bodies are also its members. Jila Parishad chairperson is the political head of the Jila Parishad. Similarly, local government bodies exist for urban areas as well. Municipalities are set up in towns. Big cities are constituted into municipal corporations. Both municipalities and municipal corporations are controlled by elected bodies consisting of people's representatives. Municipal chairperson is the political head of the municipality. In a municipal corporation, such an officer is called the mayor. For municipal corporation also, city is divided into some wards, and the member elected from these wards are generally called councillors. Do you know there are now more than 36 lakh elected representatives in the panchayats and municipalities, etc., all over the country. Once again, you can see decentralization in India. First union government, then state government, local government, in the cities municipality, in the villages panchayati raj system, municipalities such as municipal corporation, municipal council and nagar panchayat. Panchayati system has three levels: village panchayat, panchayat samiti or block samiti, and jila parishad. This panchayati raj system in India has taken power up to local level. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel www.youtube.com/ramsharmalive.